Hi, Isaac.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, how are you doing today? What do you got for us?
Ryan.
Ryan?
Yeah.
Are you super stoked to open your giant mystery egg?
Yeah.
Oh my, it's going down. Isaac the toy boy, thank you for playing with us. So Isaac, are you super excited to open up Ryan's giant mystery egg?
Yeah.
Okay, well what do you think's inside there? Can you hear what's inside?
Yeah.
What's inside?
It's
What do we got in there? Oh, we got a mystery squishy figure. We got a skydiver Ryan. We got a red Titan mask. And then we got one of 3 possible mystery puppies with 2 times a mystery figure and a mystery vehicle. And then we got these, which are mystery figures from Ryan's world, from Ryan's toy review.
Yeah, to me.
Oh man, are you ready to open them?
Yeah.
Okay, well then let's open them. Okay guys,
Yeah.
hey, we have it all opened up now and ready to go. Isaac, do you want to sit there and show everybody what's inside these bags?
Yeah.
We got mystery figures in here. What'd you get?
Daddy.
What is that?
Daddy.
Ooh, there's more packages to open it up.
Ooh, white car.
Oh, we have a Ryan figure with a gold 1,000-pound dumbbell.
Wow.
That's cool.
Wow.
What other figures did we get? Woo-doo-doo-doo-doo. And then we have an underwater Ryan figure right here. Bloop, 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 bloop. Anyways, what do we got here? We have this Ryan mystery figure. It looks like it's a Ryan construction worker. Boy, Ryan sure does have these things sealed up pretty good. We have this Ryan mystery figure, and he comes with a hammer.
Daddy.
And he likes to hammer stuff. What's that one? Show it to the kids out there. What'd you get? He got a Ryan race car driver guy.
Yeah, we do.
Running the race. Here, let's stack them all up there.
Hi, you. Hi, you.
1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the other one? Where's the other Ryan? Oh, we'll get to that egg here in a second, okay? We're gonna show him this figure too. This is a invisible Ryan. Hi, Invisible Ryan. And he's got an axe. Whoops. And Ryan, he lost the axe. Okay.
Wow, what's that? I want that now, boy.
There's a lot of Ryan figures that we could have. He fell down. Uh-oh.
Hi, hi.
You like him?
Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah. Here, let me see.
Hey.
Here, hold it up.
That's super time. It's you.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3. Oop. 3.
There.
Well, how many? Hold on. All right, we got 1,
1,
2, 3.
3. Ah,
Uh-oh.
a boss. Ah.
Ryan's figures don't stand up very well.
Yeah.
4, 5. We got 5 of Ryan's mystery figures.
Here.
Wow.
Hi.
Okay.
Oh,
Do you like them?
yeah.
Are they cool? Which one's your favorite?
That one.
The scuba diver Ryan?
I like that. I like that one. I like that one. I like that one.
Oh, you like all of them?
Yeah.
They're pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Ay.
Oh no, do you want to open the mystery egg? Hold on, wait a second.
Ah, a boss.
Be patient.
You did a bit to me.
Let's put all the figurines standing up.
Yeah.
They can watch.
Yeah, the wolf.
I think we get 2 more mystery figurines in this.
Hammer. So,
Okay.
hammer.
Yeah, he's got the hammer.
Do it now. And bye. Oh, that's a hammer.
Okay, well, let's open the mystery egg now.
Take.
Isaac, are you ready to open your mystery egg?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll open it up. Let's see what's inside.
Oh.
Got so much stuff, we don't know what to do with it all. Here, let Daddy help. Oh, there's toys flying everywhere. Oh, cool.
Ew.
Is that neat?
Yeah. Daddy. Indeed. Wow.
Oh, we got mystery buddy.
Wow. The monster door. The boy.
More characters. Here, let Daddy open them up and you can open them.
Wow. That's a big backpack.
Yeah.
The white star.
Yeah.
Wow, the white star.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
That's actually pretty cool. This vehicle. That vehicle is awesome.
Hey.
Oh, he's even got that guy goes with the motorcycle. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah, that Ryan goes with the motorcycle.
That's my backpack.
Uh-huh.
Hi. Hi. You.
Oh, that's a parachute, Ryan. Oh, we'll wait for that later. We'll throw that sometime later. But yeah, that's really neat. Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
That's cool. What's in there?
I know.
You don't know.
I know.
It's another mystery figure. You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's it? Ducky.
Is that another? Oh, it's yeah, I think that character. Yeah, there's another figurine. Show everybody. What'd you get in there? Show everybody. Show all the kids at home. Show them. Turn it around. Show them. Oh, it's a Ryan mystery squishy figure. Ah, I got a headache. Hey kids, how are you doing? Is that another? That's Gus. Hello everybody back at home. Oh, good job. Well, Bub, good job getting all this stuff out. You did good.
Well, Daddy, Daddy?
Yeah, we'll play some more. But hey, do you want to say bye to all the kids out there? Well, hey, look at the camera. Let's say bye to them.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Hey, thank you for playing with us.
Bye.
Yeah. You want to play some more?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.